Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now let's see how to make google.com default search in Google Chrome. Okay, so now let's try to open the Google Chrome. So here you can see the Microsoft Bing. So now suppose if I search anything, for example, if I search like election results 2024 and if I press enter, so it will automatically choose Microsoft Bing as a search engine and it will show all the results related to the Microsoft Bing. And suppose if you want to make this as google.com and you want to make the search results from the google.com means, so what you can do is like you can go to the Google Chrome, click on these three dots and go to the settings. Here you can go to the search engine. So here you can see the Microsoft Bing has been set as a default search engine. So manage search engines and the site search. Click on this particular option with the arrow symbol. And here you can see the various sites like Google, Microsoft Bing, DuckDuckGo, Yandex. And now this has been set as a default. Now let's change it to the google.com. Click on these three dots, more actions, and click on make default. So now the default search engine would be the google.com. Now let's try to close this and again we'll try to open the Google Chrome. So now again I will search for the election results 2024. Now I will press enter. So now the Google Chrome is using google.com as a default search engine and it is showing all the results from the Google search engine. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you when it all. Thank you. Bye bye.